Hello guys, how are you? In this video, I am going to share you how I learned English, and everyone's have passion about to learning English, but there's a people's have problem about and coming very hard because of they have not a right source of knowledge and they have not an idea how to learn English. So that's why they are confusing. But I'll tell you how I learned English and how I overcome from obstacles and boosting my confidence level. So hope you enjoy the video. This is my official channel, and let's go. First of all, you have to passion about English. It means you have to give some time to learning English. First, you have to listen because listening is a very powerful. If you are listening a word quickly, so your brain will automatically focus on that word, and after 2 3 days you repeat the word, you have remembered it. So, and second thing is you have to read books. Because books, we are forgetting reading the books, but this is very useful because I sure tell you because in old days people are listening and reading books, so this will very helpful. You see how the old peoples are remembering the old vibes because we are don't remembering because we are watching so many contents, so that's why our brain will stuck on other contents because we have lots of memories and remembering words, so that is not fair. So hope you enjoy video.